Let me ask you a question. If someone were to hand you $350,000, would you spend that money just on a newer home? Or would you rather buy an older home, completely renovated to your own liking, pay less every year, thousands less in fact, every year in property taxes, and use that extra money to travel the world?
Today we're comparing two homes here in Robson Ranch. One was built in 2001 and the other one is brand new. They're both very similar on paper, but one cost $350,000 more for a comparable lot.
And honestly, after seeing both, we're not exactly sure that buying new is the right choice anymore. This is one of the OGs in Robson Ranch. This is built in 2001, over 2,800 square feet, 3-car garage. I like the exterior. I like the elevation. I would paint it.
I do too, and I like that they have this nice stamped concrete that they've done all throughout the driveway and then all the way up to the door. Got some beautiful trees in here.
Yeah, which you don't get with the new construction, right?
That's true. The other thing you don't get with new construction is it also has the fencing already done right there, so you don't have to worry about that either. All right, look, you got some windows.
Tall porch.
Yeah, look at that door, it's so tall. All right, so we come on in and you've got 3 big chandeliers right when you walk in. So it's nice tall ceilings with crown molding.
But look at that. Wait till you see this view,
That
guys.
is absolutely makes me want to live here.
I mean, unreal, unreal. Now, it's what you have to understand when you're talking about 2001 and a 2026, on paper they look very similar. We're going to be touring the Avalon a little bit later in this video, which is one of my favorite floor plan. For a comparable stake, I mean, this is, on paper, this matches it really well. And look at it, it's just a little different layout. You've got this stacked formal and dining area, lots of carpet. You've got this whole, I guess they use this as an office?
Yeah, they must have, because it's got a couple desk spaces and everything in there.
Now, it has an office, so Patrice and I, we would rip all this out. I mean, we would rip out a lot of this stuff. All new flooring, all new paint, all new lighting fixtures, and obviously this would go.
We'd repaint the cabinets in the kitchen, do new countertops, yeah.
Yep. This is perfect for our pool table, kind of use it as a gaming area, you know, and then I would maybe use this area as one of our card tables that we talked about, you know, or even maybe another kind of media area.
Maybe put a bar underneath the TV that you're gonna put there. Yeah, this would be a great entertaining space for all the new friends we meet when we're here.
I know, it's absolutely huge.
This is a fantastic room. And it's so bright in here, which is another thing is, I mean, when you look through this house, you'll see all the windows, and some of the newer models don't have as many windows either.
Let's go into the office.
Yeah.
Now they switched this, turning this into a bedroom, so to speak. This is something else that I would rip out, and we would use it as an office.
Because we're still working.
We're still working. So
But yeah, it's a good size office.
But yeah, we can.
No windows, but that's okay.
We can get work done in here for sure. So come on here. We're gonna save the view and all that
best
for the
for
last. Now let's go down this hallway. You do have a half bath.
That is very nice.
Yeah.
That they were doing that still then.
Now this house has been recently reduced down to $675. So it was reduced $76,000.
It's an incredible deal.
I mean, guys, to get a comparable lot they don't really have one right now. But if there were one, they have one that is somewhat comparable, and it's $450,000.
Ooh.
Just for the lot.
That is a pretty penny.
Look at this. Now you've got your coffered ceilings.
A double. Is gorgeous.
You've got crown molding throughout. You even had it in that we call game room. Got this area where they extended it, put a slider in. I'm trying to block the view as much as possible. But this is definitely a huge room.
Yeah, you've got 2 windows on either side of the bed, so that's nice. And those are big windows too. They're nice and tall.
That slider, awesome. I would have our hot tub right there. Don't be turning around. You guys gotta wait. Now, this is old school, if not old school. Look at it, all solid core doors. But
Carpet
look at
in
this
the
carpet
bathroom.
in the bathroom. You know that's gotta go.
Yes.
But it does have a jetted tub. And then it's got this shower. I haven't really checked this out yet. Oh, it's pretty big actually.
Yeah, not a bad size.
But I'd completely redo this. Right? It's kind of that fiberglass. I'd put all new tile and all that stuff. Redo that. You're probably looking at 20,000 or so in the bathroom, 25,000 to really put it in today's standards. And then you've got this dual sinks, plenty of counter space.
Yeah, you've got a ton of counter space right there.
I'd probably, I don't know, maybe just paint, refinish the cabinetry. They're in great shape.
They really are.
You know,
In fact, all the cabinetry in here is in great shape. No nicks or dings or anything.
look, this closet is big.
Oh man, they've got a lot of wire shelves going on in here. They've got this middle section. This is huge.
Now, one of the things that I like about this idea, and we kind of said it in the intro, is not only are you saving right off the jump in hard money, right, that you're financing or you're paying cash for, but on every year that you live here, you're probably saving around $7,000 a year just in property taxes.
Yeah, that is a huge bonus.
That's a pretty good, some good weekend trips, or like I was saying, pay for that golf membership. Now, you come down this hallway, again, it's all carpeted. We would redo this, but you've got a full guest bath right here with a tub and shower. And then you've got a really good sized laundry area.
It's very big. Love the space on the counters right here. And then all the cabinets. It's very good.
And then your guest bedroom right over here.
Not huge, but good enough.
Yeah, good enough for guests.
Yeah, and they've got a big window in here also.
Now, we always get asked about garages. This is a 3-car garage. It does have epoxy.
Oh, wow. And a golf cart. Oh, that's a cute one. Look at how cute that is.
Yeah.
Love all the cabinets over there.
They have a workbench over here as well.
Oh, that's very nice. They've painted it a cute blue.
All right, guys, you ready for the kitchen? Now, the kitchen we're gonna have to redo and as well, but the cabinets are in really good shape, so I think we can resurface those.
Yeah, you could either repaint them, restain them.
But the view is incredible.
It is, and I'm gonna give you a little view, and then I'm gonna turn away from it.
Now, here we go. Look at how big this space is. It's
This is
a lot of workable
massive.
space. I mean, this kitchen is huge. Corian countertops. Remember, this is 2001 era. You've got the sink right here, but you look at that, you're overlooking, kind of doing your dishes and stuff, overlooking this view, which we'll show you in a minute. But it's got new appliances. It's got a gas 5-burner cooktop.
And so much space to just put anything you need.
Yeah.
It
I
does
mean,
not have a snack closet, but it does have these 2 cabinets here.
Yeah, but look at this.
And I know they roll out. Isn't that nice? That's perfect, I
Yeah,
think.
I mean, this is really all you need.
With all these cabinets, you can definitely put your cereal boxes in one of these. But this is very nice. I love, love, love this space.
Now you've got this dining area, kind of this breakfast area that Patrice and I would use just strictly for our dining.
And for looking out at our view.
And looking out on this view. I mean, absolutely insane. And then you've got your fireplace and kind of your normal TV viewing area, traditional. You can set this up as kind of a more formal space where you just a conversational area if you have the TV and stuff right there. So lots of options right here.
I'll tell you what, we go through these houses pretty much daily, and it's very rare that one really speaks to me, and this one, even though there's work to be done on it, the feel of this house is fantastic.
This was the estate series when they first opened up. This is the Marbella plan, which is one of the most popular plans. It's got huge high ceilings. I mean, it's got that modern feel that it just needs to be cosmetically updated. Let's go out here. Look at this. It's got the extended patio. Now remember, when we're going to show you that Avalon and walk through, the patio that they have on it is an option. Everything seems to be an option and an upgrade in the new construction,
It's
right?
true.
So that's where we get this $350,000 difference. But look at this.
Yeah, this is great. I'm trying to back up so I can really get an idea of how long this area is.
Well, you've got a 65-foot front lot in the front, and it's 75 right here, like a little pie shape. But look at this. You've got the bridge. You've got 2 water little lakes. And what's perfect about this, and if you've lived on a golf course, you know, we're not in the danger zone right here,
Yes.
right?
You won't be getting any windows broken. So here it is. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. You've got that walking trail right there. There's a gate on this fence so you could just get out and go on your walking trail.
It's unbelievable. And then, like I said, right there is your primary. You've got a sliders that could sneak out to our hot tub. I do the outdoor kitchen all right here. Man, this is just speaking my language.
I'm with you. I totally agree on that. Look at how much space you have on this side too. You've got all that space over there.
Yeah, your dogs have plenty of space to run around. You've got mature trees. I mean, what more can you ask for?
Yeah, you can't get this. You just can't get this
No.
anymore.
Let us know what you guys think about this one. Now, let's go take a look at that Avalon and see the difference. Let's see if it still speaks to us the same way.
Yeah.
All right. All right, so here we are, once again, back at the Avalon. And again, this is like my favorite floor plan. When people ask me when we do these tours, what's your favorite floor plan, Andy or Patrice? Now, I'm not speaking for Patrice, but for Andy, it's the Avalon. So we thought this would be a good comparison. Obviously, this is so much updated. Upgraded and updated. You got the iron door, you've got everything. I mean, it's just...
Yeah, all the detailing on the walls, all of that's extra.
Now, as it sits, this is over 3,100 square feet. But standard, it comes in almost 2,800 square feet. And the starting base price is $742. Now, you can maybe get, in this series, you might be able to get a 0 lot premium, but very unlikely. Again, they have one that is kind of overlooking kind of a lake and future golf course part, and that is going for $450,000 on its own. Now, one thing that I do love about this is that you have in your guest rooms, you do have their own ensuite.
Yeah, that's, you know, of course they did it up. It's very pretty though.
I mean, look at, I mean, we specialize in new construction. I'm not going to downplay new construction. I mean,
Yes.
This is an incredible.
Because you're gonna have brand new windows. You're gonna have all the
New roof.
yes,
You know,
exactly.
you're gonna have your warranties, all that good stuff. So, but the ceilings are same height. You know, this has got that extra bedroom that the one that we just showed didn't.
And then we've got this bedroom on the other side.
However, there was a house very similar on that same street. In fact, next door to the one that we showed, that is a 3-bedroom, and it was $715. So there are options out there.
Yeah. This one has its own bathroom also, which, like we said, is, you know, a very nice to have.
Here is the half bath.
And then you've got this big closet they always put in here. Okay.
And then you've got the flex space.
Love the space so much. It's so pretty. But obviously all of that is upgrades. So just put that into consideration. And then you've got this nice closet right here too that will hold a whole bunch of things.
And then you've got a huge laundry area with Patrice's favorite.
Oh yeah, with the dog shower. I do love this. I like it a lot. I would love to have one of those, but look at all the counter space you have in here. I mean, this is really a nice laundry room.
Yeah, so the one thing that you have to keep in mind is what makes it a little bit difficult is that this is already updated and it's a model home, right? This, as it sits right here, you're probably looking at $950,
Oh, yeah.
probably. So,
Easy.
I mean, it's a little hard to compare.
And it is hard if you're really not up to renovating.
Yeah.
Then that makes it difficult. But man, it's just such an incredible deal, that
The
other
thing
house.
that gets me with the pre-owned option is the tax savings.
Yes.
You know, because if you're going to be here for 15, 20, let's say 20 years, that's $7,000 is a big difference. It's a big delta every year.
Yes,
That, you know,
it
you have built in.
absolutely is.
So it's $140,000 in addition, just that. But look at this space. I mean, look at these sliders, how tall they are. I mean, it's gorgeous. Now, one of the things I wanted to point out, obviously these sliders are an option, everything, all that. But this patio ends where that opening goes.
Yeah, so that's an addition.
That whole other area is extension that goes all the way through. That's an additional expense.
Yeah. Cabinetry that goes up, like the transom cabinets, those are extra.
The waterfall edge.
This whole built-in bar area is extra.
Yeah, that's the one thing that we hear constantly is everything's an upgrade, right? But you know, they build an incredible. Nice
But I was
home.
gonna say, you do get a beautiful home with those upgrades.
Yeah,
Nice waterfall edge right there. I like the tray ceilings in here. It's very pretty.
you got a traditional snack closet, Costco approved.
Oh,
And
well.
speaking of Costco and HEB or whatnot, HEB is coming up. They're building it right now, right on the corner. So you're going to be, I don't know, a mile away. If you guys want to see the original tour that we did of this video, we will link it in the description below just so you can kind of see that. As well as maybe we'll end this with a Robson Ranch playlist so you can see all the different models. We've walked through this. We are your Robson Ranch specialists. We do this all day, every day. And we're here to serve you guys in any way we can. And on that note, if you have an interest in Robson Ranch, definitely reach out to us. We've had some clients, especially lately, that have reached out, scheduled their stay and plays and whatnot before reaching out to us. And sometimes that could snag things a little bit and you don't have quite the experience that you do when we help set that up for you. We have our own particular people that we work with and they do a great job.
Because they won't let you use an agent if you come in on your own without us.
Yeah.
And so we get taken out of it and then we can't help you.
And then we can't help you with
But
everything that you need to know.
We do love our sales rep. He's so great with our clients and has helped them so much.
Yeah, and it's just a different experience altogether. So, love the jewel box shower. This is probably something I would do in the renovated home.
That is really a nice jewel box.
But you could do something very similar here, right? They had a long
Yes.
sink, you know, so I mean, it's very comparable as far as that's concerned. So, guys, let us know what you think. What would you pick? Used or new? Like I said, the savings, it's gonna be comparable. I think $350 is being on the conservative side. I would say that you could probably get away with renovating that house depending on your tastes and needs and whatnot. You're probably talking about $100,000 to $150,000 to completely redo that thing. And the nice thing about that is when you're redoing it, your property assessments aren't going up. It's all inside and all cosmetic. No one's gonna know, right? You're not doing permits and stuff like that. So you get a whole bunch of savings on the property taxes, which is, you're gonna feel that every single year. And to get this comparable, you're probably looking at closer to $1 million. You get the same clubhouse, you get the same gated community, you get the same amenities, everything's the same. What would you do with that $350,000? Drop it in the comments below. And if we can be of service to you, we'd absolutely love. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.